Hello students, in this video we are going to learn something which is electric dipole, the continuation of electrostatics lesson. This is one of topic, very important topic, electric dipole. I'm going to discuss or I'm going to define first of all what is dipole. Dipole means in the name there is di means it's a two, whatever things we are taking two. So which means for suppose we have some magnet. Magnet carries two poles, right? North pole and south pole. Similarly, different whatever two kind of materials which carries this kind of material we can call is dipole. So completely we are discussing about now electric dipole. So electric dipole definition which is a system of two equal and unlike charges separated by a small distance. Okay, na? A small distance is called electric dipole. So I'm going to draw a diagram. I'm taking two charges. One is minus q and plus q. See, two unlike charges, equal and unlike charges. Two equal and unlike charges. Here it is minus, it is plus. Are separated by certain distance. A small distance. So for suppose this is a small distance. So here dipole distance we are taking always, which is the distance between two dipoles we are taking 2a. Because every dipole every dipole carries center. See, here is one of the origin. So from here to here a and here to here a. The total distance, effective distance we can say is 2a. So similarly, the examples of electric dipole, NaCl, H2O, ammonia, NH3. So these kind of all examples we can say that electric dipoles. By using of electric dipole, what we have used for this, which purpose means it is useful for to develop electric field. So how it will work here, let me explain. By taking of any one small material or some example, NaCl. Everyone knows NaCl, it is a sodium chloride. The sodium chloride means we are talking about salt also. So if it is reacted like this, before it carries like this, Na plus and Cl minus. Okay, so in this case, if you take some atomic diagram, this is plus atom, right? Na structure, and similarly Cl. Because Cl it carries more high number, that's why I wrote big circle, and this is smaller circle for understanding purpose only. And this one carries some center, and this one also nucleus. So now the distance between two equal and opposite charges are separating some distance. See here, like this kind of distance. From here to the coincide of another atom, we are taking A. And similarly from here to the another atom center is A, which means this is the origin. I hope you understand. Okay. So the total effective dipole distance we are taking, which is 2A. Okay. This is one of example. So that's why I am taking effective distance 2A, because this is the BN theory why you are taking 2A. Okay. Next, electric dipole is just to remind once again definition, a system of two equal and unlike charges are separated by certain small distance is called electric dipole. Okay. Next definition is electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment means the definition of electric dipole moment that we are denoting, which is P bar. So it is defined as the product of either charge, whatever positive or negative, and the length of electric dipole. So which means I am writing in the definition form, this is the P bar dipole, electric dipole moment always, which is a vector quantity, and P bar is equals to the, according to definition, the product of means it is a multiplication between two things. So either charge, whatever we are taking for suppose Q charge, and the length of the electric dipole, which is 2a, which means the definition of electric dipole moments P bar is equals to 2 into 2a into Q. So this is definition of electric dipole moment. So by using of electric dipole moment, we are simplifying a smaller formula according to the definition. So what is the units of electric dipole moment? Units. See, Q nothing but is a charge, na? Charge nothing but is a coulomb. Next to 2a is nothing but distance, means nothing but centimeters or meters. Coulomb centimeters or coulombs meter. So next to topic about electric dipole. Electric field on axial line due to electric dipole. We have to develop electric field on axial line due to electric dipole. So axial line means I am going to draw a diagram here. For suppose I am taking dipole here minus Q and here plus Q. These dipole are separated some distance 2a. Okay, we know this already according to the definition. Next one, we are taking any at certain point P on axial line. For suppose this is a P point. Okay, axial means it is horizontal line. Okay, now equatorial line means it is a vertical line. We will discuss later. We are taking axial means it is a horizontal line. So on a horizontal line, we are taking any one point. It is this point. I am taking point charge. P nothing but it is there is a 1 point charge. So from P point to dipole, how much electric field has been developed? So we have to check out what is the electric dipole developed due to P point charge. Okay. So now from 2a distance na, every dipole carries some center which is O. Nothing but this is A. From here to here A. Now what is the effective distance from plus Q to P? Tell me. This is for suppose from center to the P point separating some R distance. The P point carries R distance from center of dipole to here R. So the remaining is here R minus A. I hope you understand. Next one, from minus Q charge to P point, how much distance? Tell me. Here this is a. From here to here A and here to here R. The total effective distance is R plus A. Okay. This is the effective diagram, electric field on axial line due to electric dipole. Now we have to develop one equation for electric field intensity on axial line of P point charge. So now we have to draw a direction first of all. What is the direction here? The direction of this one is P point. P is a point charge where carries it is always positive. The positive which are repulsive, the electric field direction is plus Q, moves away. Okay na? Next one, the field is due to affected minus P charge. Nothing but plus to minus will attract you towards, which is E minus Q. Okay, this is the direction of electric. This is very important. Which direction this carries? This one. So the total electric field intensity is what it is. The total electric field intensity is equals to E plus Q charge plus E minus Q charge. This is equation 1. Next step, we have to define what is E plus Q, what is E minus Q. According to electric field intensity definition, E plus Q is equals to, if we have a formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught plus nothing but here also we are taking plus by, what is a plus charge distance carries? R minus A whole square. Equation 2. Next, similarly, E minus Q is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q. Here it is a minus because minus charge na, we are taking minus Q by, what is the distance? It is R plus A whole square. This is equation 3. Equation 2 and 3 substitute in equation 1. The effective formula is equals to, direct step I am writing here, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r minus a whole square. Here it is a minus now, nothing but we can write it here minus, direct. Okay, minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r plus a whole square. Okay, this one. Next 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q are common. Let's take out q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r minus a whole square minus 1 by r plus a whole square. Okay, next step. Here I am taking LCM. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square by r minus a whole square into r plus a whole square. Just I am doing LCM here only. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Simplify this above formula, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus. Here minus will applicable for inside also. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, the minus is multiplied inside, that's why it becomes like this. Next one, a minus b into a plus b whole square. Whole square is common. Next here a minus b into a plus b, nothing but a square minus b square whole square as usual. Okay, this is electric field intensity. We have to simplify more. 4 pi epsilon naught. See, minus minus r square minus a square cancel. 2ar 4ar by r square minus a square whole square. Okay, next step, q by 4 pi epsilon naught, or substitute q inside also. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4a q r by r square minus a square. Here observe one point here, which is the distance of two dipoles are very smaller. That's why the a distance is very small. So we can say that a is highly less than r. Nothing but very smaller distance compared to the p point. Compared to the p point distance here, from p point to center, r distance is very large compared to from here to here distance, because we are taking very smaller distance. In the definition of dipole also they given same. So that's why a is highly less than r. So we can neglect a square value. Directly we can take 0. So now next step of this simplification is electric field intensity is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4aq r by r square whole square. Okay, before step is a square is 0, this one. Here see 1 square 1 r will cancel. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4aq by r power square, and here 1 is there, cube. Okay, we can simplify more. E bar is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2aq into 2 by r cube. So this is according to electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment says, what is the definition of electric dipole moment? P bar is equals to 2a into q na. See here 2a into q. Instead of 2a into q, we can substitute p bar. So 2 will come 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 into 2aq. I am substituting p bar value. P bar by r cube. This is the electric field intensity due to dipole on axial line. Okay, this is very important for IPE purpose, very important for objective also. Okay na, thank you.